Hi all. So Binance has instigated the Lightning Network, so I figured I'd try it out. I've got a Wallet of Satoshi on my phone, which is a free download. It's a free Bitcoin Lightning wallet that uses. Sorry, it's a Bitcoin wallet that uses the Lightning Network, should I say? Okay, and usually the transactions are free. So let's see. So I'm going to hit deposit, and I can see if I can transfer this Bitcoin off here. Onto my Binance account. So Bitcoin, select network, Lightning Network. 0.0008568. Create invoice. Send. What happened then? Insufficient funds. Interesting. It's something popped up then. It said I had to create, leave some on. So let's just do it down to, let's try this. Okay, so I'm getting the QR code from my phone. Today, maybe it's that. What's going on here? Well, this is working like a charm. Oh, there we go. About 24. Send, okay. Payment sent. Okay. I've now got 5868. About $2 left. So I had 85868. It sent 80,000 sats. Okay, so it's not cost me anything. So let's see if that arrives. Okay. Let's see if that arrives. It should come pretty quick. Let's see if there's any information. Oh, there you go. Deposit completed. There we go. Deposit past 7 days. Amount of Bitcoin 0.0008. Completed. Zero fees. Okay, so I've not lost anything on my phone. And I've now got 0.0008 extra Bitcoin. And it cost me nothing. There was no transaction fee or anything like that. Brilliant. Okay, so that's how you can pay for stuff. So in El Salvador, this is the kind of thing that they use, the Lightning Network. You see how quick it was there? It's quicker than me, really. The transaction came up much quicker than other stuff I've sent, like Algorand and Solana. It went over much quicker. So it's pretty much instant. So that's the Lightning Network for you guys. It works.